going on, guys? Today we'll talk about Kotoko transfer news, and if you're new to the channel, please don't subscribe and click the notification bell to get updates and notifications whenever I post a video. Now we talk about the transfers. Kotoko have released 3 players. If you watch my last video or my previous video, you see that I listed 5 players that should leave Kotoko to revive their career, and 3 of those players have been sent out of the club. Evans Owusu and Kingsley Effa has been sent out on loan. They have been sent out on loan to Kerala United, while the club have released Kelvin Ando as they feel that he doesn't have what it takes to make it at the club. So we'll go over to the next news about players coming in. Latif Anabila and James Akaminki. Now there reports that NCC talked to Asante Kotoko and told them that they are ready to fund the bills to get Latif Anabila to the club. Now recent reports are stating that Latif Anabila will join Asante Kotoko on the free transfer at the end of the season, and James Akaminki will also join him to come on a free transfer, since both players, their contracts will end at this season, and they have chosen to join Asante Kotoko after their contract expire with Ashanti Gold. Now let's go to Emmanuel Keyekeh. I know all of you has been, if you go to my Twitter, a lot of people have been messaging me, tweeting me, asking me about news about on Emmanuel Keyekeh. Now the new coach of Kerala United feels that if Emmanuel Keyekeh leaves the club, it's going to affect them, and they might end up going relegating out of the Ghana Premier League. So he feels that Keyekeh is not going anywhere at the moment because they need him to help them survive from the relegation battle. Now if Keyekeh is to join Asante Kotoko, it means that it's going to be next season, or if this season is cancelled. Now we're moving forward. Asante Kotoko goalkeeper trainer has been praised on Kwame Ba, and he feels that Kwame Ba deserves all the plaudits because he has worked hard for it, and advised the fans not to take sides when it comes to the goalkeeping situation, because Kwame Ba and Felix Annan are both players of Asante Kotoko, and the fans should support them. Let's hear what he has to say.
A player there also competitive, and don't even depend on one goalkeeper. Also supporters need to say team depend on one goalkeeper. They Kwame Ba by Kotoko, because people say if I do it, you know, not just say, but I can say we always try to depend on Felix. And in every sense, no, say Felix, every say we say, and Kotoko. To me, be a coach, you know, it's not easy to coach Kotoko, and it's not easy to play Kotoko, because you're very distant. So sometimes you have to give credit to even Kwame Ba, say or buy another chance, you know, but we take care, and we have more matches to play. And I was saying, you know, you support to you know, whoever that ever used to see me so go down. Was say support to Kotoko. It's not about player, Kotoko.
Now we move over to Justice Blay. Now, Mediama actually ended negotiations with Asante Kotoko after they believe that the player is to move outside immediately his loan contract ends with Asante Kotoko. But they have stated that they are willing to open negotiations with Asante Kotoko. They're willing to hear again. That's if Asante Kotoko are coming to the table with a different offer. So they told them that after the coronavirus pandemic, they are going to listen to what they have to offer to them for Justice Blay. So we hope the coronavirus ends very soon and football comes back to Ghana. And that's all for today. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Comment what you think about this transfer news. And that's all for now. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.